Hi friends, I am Shreya. So today's tutorial is going to be on sea waves. Initially I also struggled a lot with the waves, how to accommodate white and all. So today we'll make two types of sea waves. I have divided my paper into two sections using the masking tape and we will make them simultaneously. So for the first one, I'm putting water on the sheet and I will be using black and Prussian blue with the gradient. Start with dark color on the top and slightly lighten down the shade. Again, start with darker shade and slightly bring down the color. Adding little bit of green towards the ends. For the second one, we will use cobalt blue, the sky blue and shades of green. For the left side, I am merging the shades, and for the right side, I am just dabbing the color. Now we will make sand. I will use brown and yellow ochre. On the left side, I am using very diluted yellow ochre to make the sand. So now let's start with the waves. I am using white color from the tubes, not from the cakes, because from the cakes it's very diluted. I need some concentrated white. You can use inks or pens or anything. Now use a very fine tip brush to make the waves. So this is how it looks. I think we are done on the left hand side. Now for this one, what I'm doing, I'm taking the color and just dabbing it on the edges. So if you see, there are little variations of colors like blue, green, and where water meets land. So I'm using the color and just dabbing it on those edges. We are almost done. So which one did you like the most? Share in the comments below. Also please like this video, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Happy painting.